Choosing a home is a big decision. You have many options to consider and it can be overwhelming. Two popular choices are new builds and renovations. Each has its own unique set of benefits and challenges. New builds are fresh and modern, offering the latest in design and technology. They often come with warranties and require less immediate maintenance. Renovations let you customize an older home to fit your personal style. They can preserve the charm and character of a vintage property. Both choices have pros and cons. New builds can be more expensive up front, while renovations can uncover hidden issues. This essay explores the benefits and challenges of each option in detail, helping you make an informed decision. We'll look at costs, long-term value, and your personal needs. Understanding these factors is crucial for making the right choice. By the end, you'll have a better idea of which path is right for you. Whether you choose a new build or a renovation, the goal is to find a home that meets your needs and lifestyle. New homes are shiny and exciting. Everything is brand new. You're the first one to use it. This is a big draw for many home buyers.
Modern amenities are a huge plus. New builds often have open floor plans. They have the latest appliances and technology. Energy efficiency is another benefit. New homes are built to modern standards, saving you money on bills.
Older homes have a story to tell. They possess a unique charm and character that you don't find in new builds.
Original features like fireplaces, moldings, and built-in cabinetry add personality. Renovating lets you preserve these elements. Often you can buy an older home for less than a new build. This gives you more money to spend on renovations.
While appealing, new construction comes with challenges. One of the biggest is cost.
New homes are often more expensive. This is especially true in competitive markets.
Another challenge is the wait. Building a home takes time. Unexpected delays can happen, pushing back your move-in date.
Finally, new builds can lack character. Many developments have similar-looking homes. This cookie-cutter feel isn't appealing to everyone.
Renovating an older home can be incredibly rewarding, offering a chance to restore vintage features and add unique character to your living space. But it has its own set of challenges that can test your patience and budget. Unforeseen issues are a major concern, often popping up when you least expect them.
Hidden problems like asbestos or faulty wiring can arise, requiring immediate attention and potentially costly solutions. These add extra costs and stress to your project, making it essential to have a contingency plan.
Renovations can be unpredictable, with structural issues often lurking behind walls and floors. It's easy for costs to spiral out of control if you're not careful. Setting a realistic budget is crucial to keep your project on track. You need to be prepared for unexpected expenses, ensuring you have a financial cushion to handle surprises. Both new builds and renovations can be good investments. Each option has its own set of advantages and potential drawbacks, making it essential to weigh your choices carefully. New builds offer peace of mind. They are constructed with the latest building standards and materials, ensuring a high level of quality and safety. They come with warranties and fewer immediate repairs. This means you can move in without worrying about unexpected expenses right away. This can save you money in the short term. Additionally, new builds often come with energy-efficient features that can reduce your utility bills.
Renovated homes can appreciate significantly. By updating an older home, you can increase its market value and potentially see a higher return on investment, especially if they're in desirable locations. Proximity to amenities, good schools, and vibrant communities can further boost the home's value. The key is to renovate wisely. Focus on improvements that offer the best return, such as kitchen and bathroom upgrades. Choose upgrades that add value and appeal to future buyers. Think about what features are most sought after in the current market.
Ultimately, the best choice depends on your individual needs and circumstances. Consider your long-term goals and how each option aligns with them. Do you value modern convenience or unique character? What's your budget? New builds offer the latest in home technology, while renovated homes often have unique architectural details. How long are you willing to wait? Renovations can take time and may require you to live elsewhere temporarily. These are all important factors to consider. Make a list of your priorities and see which option meets most of them. Choosing a home is a personal decision. It's about finding a place where you can see yourself living happily for years to come. There's no right or wrong answer. Everyone's situation is different, and what works for one person might not work for another. Carefully weigh the pros and cons. Consider factors like cost, time, and personal preference. Choose the option that best suits your lifestyle and financial situation. Whether you go for a new build or a renovation, make sure it aligns with your vision for your future home.